Amsoko Kokama Express in Mampilo, Hanya Tabok second round, Nokar Pavi Kerezal, sort the Bozun Noganingui, sort the Bozun Noganingui, second round Fajapa 2011. We have our agro or Manka BJP Ningui, Ronavi Diplomat of the Bozun Nogawaki Nogo, and for a Runel Diplomat, Tipra Motha Manka, those hazards so good. Hikabai 10602. Answer number by Tabok Jora Kwplai Wngjak, Sekangi Tongo, Tabok Jora Tipra Motha Runel Diplomat, Sonji Diplomat Mani Tongo, CPIM Ningue 178. Hanya Haite Tabok Tero China Tomakaran Hanyo, second round Nokorjak, Aramanka, CPIM Ningue 704. Amankai or CPIM ni Omanga Dabarma. Indroji Dabarma or BJP ni Engamanka 1571. Pondroso Ekatu Mantongo. Arabindra Dabarma Tipra Motha Tero China Tomakaran 9497. Hakabar no hazas I show Satanoboy by Tabok Kwplai Wngjak Tabok Jora Hangi Tongo 10,000 above cross of Kalei Tonaka, sort the Bozun Nogar by Terra Sina Tomakaran Tabok Jora Kwplai Tipra Motha Linking Tongo, second round. And height in Toyuna to the Kokama Express, third round to Nanibagay. Tabok second round of 12,535 or good counting Kamadaga. Or Terra, your sort the Bozun Nogar working over English, total second round of Kazaka, total 12,903. I have a bar of Hazan Noisha team, Azakala Kamazaga Manka, Runel Deburma 10,602. I Royal Maka, all the 2011. I have a agro manza. So I went to the Kokama Express, third round.